Hey guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to see retakes on BeReal. So you want to go into the BeReal app and then you want to post a BeReal. So I'll just post one real quick and I won't be showing my face. So I'll just post this real quick and wait for it to load. And once it's posted, you can go over to one of your friends' posts. I'll just do it on Discovery since I don't have any friends on BeReal. You can press the three dots on the top and then the options will come out. It says view profile, share profile, and report. And then if in the friends part, another option will pop up that shows how many retakes they've taken. So that's how you see how many retakes they've taken. So if this video is helpful, please like and subscribe.